Hi guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I came up with the new project called Library Management. Firstly, I want to show you the project description which gives you a clear perspective of this application. So this is the project description. The Library Management System is a program that keeps a track of books, users and transaction information. In this application, we have a three modules like admin, librarian and member. I just want to show you the flowchart which gives you a clear understanding. So this is the flowchart where admin will log in with the existing email and password. After login, the admin add librarians membership categories and books. The added librarian membership categories books can be viewed by the by the admin. Now, the librarian will log in with the same email and password. Here, the librarian will add the book copies. These book copies can be seen by the member when if the member register and log in, and after that the member should enroll to the membership. After enrolling to the membership, the member will search for the books, and in view books, the member can see the added copies by the librarian. If member want to request a book, he will send a book request to the librarian. Now the librarian can accept, reject the books which is sent by the member. If he want to accept the book, he will assign the book to the member. Here, the member can also cancel the book, and the member will return the book. All the written and cancelled books can be seen in the book history in the member. The librarian can also view the borrowed history in the borrowed history page. If member want to renewal to the membership, member can renewal to the new membership, and the member should pay the fine if the return date was delayed. This is the flowchart of this application. So I'm getting into the application. I'm just logging as an admin by giving the existing email and password. So this is the admin homepage. Now the admin will add the librarians by giving name, email, phone, password and location of the librarian. By clicking on add button, the librarian was added successful, and the added librarians can be seen in the view librarians. Now the admin can add the membership amount and click on add button. So now the membership was added membership can be seen in the view membership. Now the admin can add the category. Added categories can be seen in the view category. Now the admin can add the books based on the category name. Admin will add the books. Purchase and price of the book. By clicking on add button, the book was added successful, and the added books can be seen in the view books. Here the admin can also search according to the category and keyword. Now log out. I'm entering into librarian account by giving the same email and password. So now the librarian will view the books which is added by the admin. Here librarian will add the book copy for this book. By clicking on add copy, a librarian will add the book copies. Here in number of books, if we give a 5, automatically the 5 books was generated like this. If we give 8, we can see 8 books was generated automatically. So I'm adding 8 books. Click on add button. So book copy for this book was added successful. Now we can view the copy. See 8 books. As we added, these are the 8 copies. Now I'll get into the as a member. Before login to the application, we should register. Click here to register. Give the name, email, phone, password, and city. Click on register button. Now the member was registered successful with the registered email and password. The member can log in. Here we can see that the member was not enrolled to the membership. So the application was asking to enroll to the membership. We can see that in expired date there is no membership status. So if you want to enroll to the membership, click here to enroll button. Click on enroll. Give the card holder name, and card number should be exactly 16 numbers. Give expiry date and CVV number, and click on pay and enroll. Now the membership was added and it is valid up to this date. Now the member will view the books by selecting the librarian. Click on view books here. Select the borrowed date and return date and click on book and confirm. The book request was successful. Now the librarian will get into the action. Here the librarian can see the requested books in the view requested books tab. We can see the status was book requested. Here the librarian can assign or reject the book. Now I'm assigning the book to the member. Click on assign button. Select the book and click on assign book. Now the book was assigned. The librarian will log in with the register email and password. Here, if member want to return the book, the member will click on return button. By clicking on return button, the return request was sent to the librarian. Now the librarian will log in and librarian will collect the book from the member. By clicking on collect book, we can see that the book was returned successful. All the returned cancelled books can be seen in the history page. So this is the main perspective of the application. Hope you guys understood about the process of the application. Thank you.